friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm here with a quick happy mail from Amazon. I think I told you guys about this in one of my last few videos, but I just wanted to take a minute and share with you guys. I don't know, I'm doing several parts and I just realized I have a part 4 I need to add to the other what am I trying to say? Joanne's videos. So, anyways, and I'm trying to get all these out. Here we go. Alrighty. Oops, sorry guys, did I move you? My apologies. Sorry. Okay, so let's see what's in here. So right now, I've got, yay, that's exactly what I thought it was. Okay, so let me get a rag real quick because you can see there's junk left behind in these boxes. Sorry guys. Okay. Alrighty, so here we go. So these are my two Happy Planner, the Happy Planner or Create 365 or Mombi orders. So I am excited that they're here. I did not cut that very well, but so I had mentioned in my previous video that I had ordered the boxes, stickers, off of Amazon because I couldn't find them in one of the Joann's, but I did eventually find them. So having two sets of these are great. $4.94 pieces. I think I paid $13 for this, which they're regularly $20, so it wasn't bad. It was a good deal. But so I'm super excited. These are, I didn't do this on the other, but I will as I use them. I'll just flip and show you. So these are just boxes in different colors, just different things you can use in your planners. So love that. Super excited about that. Now, this is the Grace Upon Grace. This is the Faith Happy Planner. I'm not going to open this because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. After I ordered it, I realized it was a vertical and not a horizontal. They do not have out a horizontal Faith Planner. I have written Mombi and, you know, all these good guys and said, could you please consider? So, anyways, they're hopefully considering. So, alright, hopefully they're going to redo it, and I will share with you what I've come up with a whole new idea of what I'm going to do. I'm super excited to share with y'all, but that will be in another video, what I'm going to do with Faith Planner. Okay, so I have two other kind of funny things that I'm going to add on to this. So, this is a photo stick. Okay, photo stick, yeah. But this one, you can, this is something I saw on one of the Instagram, you know, where they have those things for sale. Anyways, it's 128 gigabytes, and what you do is it will click into your, I think your phone photos, and then it will download onto your computer. We have a lot of problem with that with our computers, and I don't know why, but I bought two, so one for the wedding and one for our family. So I thought that was really, really neat. It was a pretty reasonable amount. And then lastly, here's another thing, and I am a little bit ahead of myself. I picked up, these are called the car seat key. Because I have such bad arthritis, I wanted to pick one of these up. I saw this on the Instagram, so, okay, as seen on TV, right? But, I know I hardly watch TV. You can put it on your keychain, and you put it down, and it helps to lock and unlock the car seat. And because I have so much arthritis, this just looked like such a great idea. So, I have that. And I got that, and I thought that was pretty reasonable as well. And then lastly, these are just things for the wedding. Either they will be used for the rehearsal dinner, the engagement party, or the bridal shower. So, I thought those were cute. His color is green, hers is pink, so the wedding is pink and green. So, anyways, and these are just little bitty paper bags. Literally, you can see. So, that's the bottom. Here's the top. Super, super, super cute. So, and I think they're paper. I was going to say I thought they were glossy, but they're not. So, okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This was a really quick mail run. and happy mail today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'd love to have you be a part of us. We'd love to encourage you, and hit that notification bell if you are a subscriber, so you can know when all the new videos come up. Okay, well, most importantly, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.